Assalamu alaikum, Nasra. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
You're looking gorgeous today.
Thank you.
I did not recognize you.
Oh,
I did not. A wow of princess are coming to my home.
oh my God, you are the princess. I say all the time, you're the princess, and I'm so happy
Oh,
to be with you, first of all.
Thank you,
Really.
thank you. I always said
you.
princess of Saudi Arabia, a queen of Saudi Arabia.
Well, everyone, I would say my nationality goes to everywhere, so I would say I grew up in Saudi Arabia 100%.
Wow. So first of all, like Saudi Arabia has a long history of oud and perfume.
Yes.
How does Fash Oud carry forward that tradition?
Well, the tradition starts from where I was born, which is my mom used to make a bakhoor in Somalia.
Okay.
And she learned from Yemen, of course, in Aden. And Aden is one of the big cities that everybody knows about bakhoor. And as we know, the region of Somalia, it's Frankincense. If you know, they are number one in the world. And they know about the bakhoor and all this. It starts all from Yemen, as Malfis.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
So the fragrances and
All the beautiful smell. Before Cleopatra, we had a Balkis with Saba city in Yemen.
yeah.
So that means, how many, Nabina Yusuf, Nabina, so many, all the prophets went. So Nabi Sulaiman, there was days she was Balkis there.
Wow.
Yes.
So it's a long history.
It's a long history.
It's a long history.
Yes. So that's what come. And Yemen and Somalia are next to border each other. So
Yeah.
they're like
So you grew up in Saudi.
Saudi Arabia, yes.
Okay.
I was born in Somalia. I grew up in Saudi Arabia. I came into nationality in there.
Wow.
Yes.
So you carry your mom legacy.
And my dad.
Yeah, mom.
My dad originally is from Yemen, but my dad was born also in Somalia. So it's kind of a mix of, race. So I have a lot of culture on me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you started this bakhoor and oud, everything, like, in the time when everybody was locked down. They were in-house.
Yes, yes. Well, this starts first of all when I was young, because this thing, sometimes you discover yourself in very late time. I knew that I love to smell good all the time, but I never knew that I could go that far. And that's what was the whole line, And that gives me the power of my friends always comment, oh, you smell so good. Yeah. Oh, you teach me how to be layering your perfume. You taught me that. You taught me that. It was in so many years. And I could hear from my teacher from when I was 18 and I was at school in America before go to my university and practicing my English. Of course, Saudi Arabia, they all speak Arabic.
Arabic, yeah.
And Somalia, they all speak Somali. At the end of the day, I didn't know how to speak English. So I had to go take courses in the college. So my teacher could tell the day I'm in the class, this how far and every time I'm on the second floor and she's on the first floor, she walks, oh, today Nasra in the class.
Oh, wow.
One day I heard and I quiet. Second day I said, what do you mean that you're saying, Nasra? She said, because I can smell your perfume from down.
Wow.
And imagine, I never used to wear perfume those days. People have to understand, it's not only perfume to make you smell good.
Yes, that was I was going to ask.
No, that time I didn't have the money to buy perfume all the time, definitely. So I used something, I discovered something, and now that's what we're going to come at me and let's talk about it today.
Yeah, because when I met you first time, you talk about hygienic. Yes. You talk about how to smell good.
Yes.
You never talk about perfume.
Never.
That was the best. Because what we do, we just layer ourselves with the perfume. 1, 2, 3. And okay, this is the expensive perfume. I'm wearing this today, that day. And just after 2-3 hours, it just disappears.
Mm-hmm.
Even you buying that perfume for £500, £1,000, whatever, but it just go away.
That's it. I agree with you.
And when you were showing all the products which make you, smell good, and after all that products, there was no space for perfume.
There was no perfume. Yes, I'm 100%.
So that day, I decided you're going to be on my podcast one day.
And I made it.
You made it today.
Thank you so much.
So what is hygienic? What is the definition of hygienic for you?
For me, okay. Everybody's hygienic, I understand. Allah has created the best, but it's how do you take care of that?
Definitely.
Okay. Sometimes when we have a Vermont because it's what we eat. The medication could be the food. It could be the environment you live. If I live in an environment like this, I'm always going to smell good. That's why I never smell you in any food. I'll be honest with you. Because I'm a nose before perfumer. I craft perfume, yes, but before that, it's my nose. Yeah. That little nose can bring a lot of things. So when I say hygiene is, as I said, be careful with your environment and be careful what you eat.
Yeah.
And the medication we take. So make sure everything has way of cleaning. We have to understand that first.
Yeah.
We always take a shower and we put cream our body and then perfumes.
Yeah.
First of all, if I talk about myself, just to do hygiene, washing my mouth, I have like 4 steps I go. And I don't think so many people do that.
We just do
no.
That's it.
I go 4 steps every morning and 2 steps in every night. That's me. Daily. Okay, that's where the hygiene starts. And then there are things privately I cannot say them. Obviously.
Yeah.
And the frankincense, I will show all that I bring today. So for you guys to understand, I'm going to talk a little bit of that.
Yeah, definitely.
Frankincense from back home in Somalia, my parents, I remember they used to burn it, and that smoky, they could stand it like that to make it clean from inside them. But that was not right to do it, because more we grow up and more we read, more we understand what goes around the world. So now I would advise every woman, don't use bakhoor like the smoke in wrong way.
Okay.
It's not good for your chest, first of all.
Okay.
Second thing, there are some bakhoors that you can use, and I will show you today how you use it, and that way you are safe if you are the one who loves bakhoor. Nobody will think that way. Not many people know that. I've been saying this for the last 5 years in my social media, in my Snapchat.
Yeah.
I'm always Snapchatter more than Instagram and TikTok. I've been saying that. So it's good to educate around people. And that education is just came from me discovering things after I think that. So that is the way it should be. You have to have everything has something to do. If people need it, they can always message me and I'll be happy to
definitely
give them the best advice.
The best advice. The best advice.
Yes.
If you need a best advice about the hygiene, you need to contact Nasra.
Yes.
Bash Oud.
Thank you.
Why the oud consider a liquid gold?
Okay, it's liquid gold because it's the weight of the...
Yes.
Because, and where it comes the root from? Did anybody knows? Many of you?
I don't know. Because
but where's the root comes the original?
Yeah. Because, I tell you what I connect oud with whenever we pass through any Arab woman.
Yes.
And you can smell, after even 2-3 minutes. So we say, wow, it's Arab.
But that's what is okay. The root original where it came from is at Asia country.
Okay.
India.
Okay.
Malaysia. Indonesia. Philippines. And many other Asian countries.
Okay.
Saudi never had what they call ever industries in root. Do you guys know that?
But no, because I think Arab women adopt it very, in a very
not
good way.
Not the woman who adopted to know what's all with about is the Arabian people, the men's. What they did, they went to the field of Asia and they bought all those field.
Oh, wow.
And the person don't know what's with is.
Yeah.
And that's what the most wheat comes from India.
Not from Pakistan?
I think so. I'm not sure. But India and Pakistan to me is the same, But nobody discovered these things.
You say Pakistan as well?
And Pakistan too. We say it just to, Yeah. It's something very important. People to know where this come from.
Yes.
Why? And why it became like, these days they make something called synthetic root. and they have original oud.
Okay.
It's weighted like a gold. It's by the weight. Today I bring for you that one. Because I didn't know you were going to ask me that question, because it's all through education, by the way.
Yes.
Because people think oud is the one we make with the oil. No, that's apple tree. Apple tree, you can cut it piecesly, and you buy by the weight, and you make bakhoor. But that one I will never use for myself as a bash oud, as to make it myself, to my clothes or burn it. No. I will use that only for my home.
I think our Asians, what we do, we are more, concentration on eating. What we can eat, the apple tree. What we're gonna think? We're gonna just take the apple and eat it, or make something sweet food with that, or like a jam with it. We just think of that because our Asian, our brain start from eating and shut. Eating. We do.
Well, we all do. We all do. We all eat. We all do. I understand. But what's bad is when my country brings something nice, like Somalia, they have the most beautiful frankincense. I brought it for you today.
Oh wow!
Today you're gonna have everything original.
I'm gonna be rich today.
Not to be synthetically done, from the tree to your hands, and you will tell the difference of that smell. We know. We used to be the most who used to export frankincense in the world in Sanak. They call Sanak, Bosaso, in Somalia. It's one of the best. It smells now, I will give it to you. Just smell. You say, oh my God, you can put it inside the water and drink. You can steam it to your clothing. We'll take all the negativity out. You can do so many things in that. Chanel, Gabrielle Chanel, perfume Chanel.
Yes.
Gabrielle Chanel that you're wearing today. I don't know. It looks like Chanel blues. I have one like that, but not glittering, but I have like a little work. Gabrielle Chanel? If you go to her, Google it, what she does, Somalian frankincense. I took today her perfumes, nothing. She won't be saying Armani. She won't be saying this. She will say Somalian frankincense. When we buy oils from every company who makes a perfume, when I want a frankincense oil, they write Somalian frankincense. Because people has to know they're originated and what they have. Yeah. But the Indian, the problem is they never know what is bakhoor. Even my neighbors, when I ask them, do you know what's bakhoor? I said, no. I say, you're from India.
Yeah, we don't know what is bakhoor. I heard or I smell bakhoor first time here in UK. So, and we always relate bakhoor and all these things with the Saudi and with not only with the Saudi, all the Middle East,
all the Middle East, all the Arabian country, all the Arabs, yes, all the Muslim, I would say,
yes,
and that because Somalia, Yemen, Saudi, they're all like this, you know that.
Yeah,
we only divide in each other. At the end of the day, the culture is just one, by the way.
So what make a Middle East fragrance layering ritual, like combining oud, musk, tahara, and bakhoor, so unique?
So myself, if I would ask someone who wants to do it, yes, we do have a lot of companies, big names, they do perfumes, they do body wash, they do that. But does we exactly know what should we wear even as a moisturizer in our skin? What type of cream that you need to use? You got to know that, because some creams that after we take, say, first I'll take a shower with this. I showered it and I took a little bit of my body scrub.
Okay, we start from
that's where we start, okay? That one, just open it itself and let the whole house smell.
Oh, wow.
The whole house, literally. I make two types, one winter and one summer.
Okay.
So now the summer one is maybe left about 10 of them. Now I'm going to bring in beginning of September the new one of the winter.
So winter and summer both are different.
Yes. What we have here is so many things. If you go through my TikTok shop, you'll find prescriptions, you will find everything. This thing is polishing your skin and taking all the dead skin you have in your body. It makes your skin shiny and like a baby. And you know what? You don't even have wrinkles. If you see my skin, you will find it is so smooth and nice.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, glowing. See, that's what you need. Because what I have inside, more healthy things than going through the just washing your body. No. This gives you a lot, and there's something here Allah has created from. Just got to smell it, and let me know how rich and a spot smell is.
Wow. Literally, like,
Better than perfume.
what is it?
That's what I said. You really don't need actually to buy all your perfume to smell good.
Yes,
That concept is totally, I would say, anybody is wrong. That's something I always say. I'm not a commercial. I craft my things by my own hand with my energy. You know?
That's literally, because that's the first thing I noticed about you when I met you first time.
I'm crafting.
Yeah, and I was amazed. I was amazed.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
Next step.
So after we exfoliate our skin, what we need is to moisturize my skin.
Okay.
Yes, after the scrub bash, there's a cream, which is the one I'm wearing from 8 in the morning until now. This cream itself, you don't need even perfume. And you will let me know that. I'm telling you, this cream, you don't need even how to put perfume in your body. Just smell it. Just smell it. You're going to take a spoon and dig it and eat.
I'm going to eat it.
Yes.
What is it?
This is what they call tobacco and leather. That's my first signature I made.
That's why we're
Nobody can make this.
crazy.
No copy, you find it, because it has a lot of complex. The complex is the root of everything. You have your spoon inside, which I always get people to use it.
Okay.
And that way, when you put it, even if you put your clothes, you won't have any mark, by the way. It's all made by love and careful. It takes so long. Wow. You can feel it like that, by the way, all your body. Even I swipe my clothes sometimes.
Wow. Otherwise, creams leave stains.
This one won't leave a stain.
Yeah.
Okay. And they, mashallah, very strong. This is my number one I ever wore it. Look, I'm wearing a black.
Yeah.
And you see, nothing would.
Nothing.
Look, I'm wearing a pink, which is could be shiny.
Yeah.
So what perfume you need? You don't need even perfume.
We don't need a perfume.
You don't need a perfume. So what I do is that I put a little bit only while your body half wet.
Yes. Okay.
While your body is half wet.
Yeah.
Just take that too. Full of it.
Okay.
Just go over your body. Okay? That one. Second thing that you need to do. All right? So we come to and say about time to wear my clothes. First of all, before I take a shower, I have here cotton if you realize.
Okay. Yes.
The word of a cotton, it's the olive spray that covers every smell in the house. Atmosphere changes.
Okay.
It's like a cotton. You know, cotton is fresh.
Yes.
It has a little bit of roses. You know, when you smell the cotton itself, it's cotton.
Yeah.
It's brand new. So this gives all that atmosphere in your clothing. So what you go, this, as you guys see here, it's locked. People don't understand, but I need to show them. It's locked. You pull it like this.
Yes.
And then 24 degree. You know what's 24 degree? Your dress is down there. You just spray your clothes.
Yeah.
That's why you ask me why Middle Eastern people smell good, or Arab, whatever you guys call it.
Yeah. Even men and
Women,
both.
that's it.
Both. Because like usually when we see men don't smell that great, all the perspiration, all the like the frustration when they pass you.
Actually, we live in a country that we are in rushing hours. We have a rush time, by the way. Our life is very hectic.
Yes.
When I'm living back home, whether I was in Egypt or when I was in Saudi Arabia, although I haven't lived in Somalia that long, which I don't know anything about it that much, you know, the country itself, which all the work going on. But believe me, the time I have is too much because I don't clean, I don't wash, I don't cook. I'm a Mrs. bash. You know, I'm not driving. I have my driver. My kids have a maid. Someone is cooking. So you are the queen of the house.
Yes.
But here we all have to look everything. Mommy is here. Baba is here. The son is here. Daughter is here. Husband is here. So our life is really hectic.
Yeah.
So that's why it makes a difference. But myself, I lived all that life, but I prefer life to keep myself hectic, honestly. That gives us peace of our mind and who we are. So now we have 24 degrees in our clothes. Like sure, cotton is the one. They are just like perfume. When I go in the morning out, I'm just, I'm running.
Okay.
I have this line of all of the spray is 250 ml. We have 11 line.
Wow.
We have 11 line of this sprays and different. Some are all the sprays, some are sprays, some are. But this one, everything. You can put the house, the bed, the sheet, your clothes. Smells just like perfume. It's made it just exactly like the perfume.
Wow.
Yes. So this is, which is number 3.
Okay.
Okay. We come number 4. We have a burner, the oud.
Yeah. A beautiful burner.
This is, it's a burner, which you have the charcoal here. And then the charcoal will be later, we can show them when we sit in there later. Yeah. The charcoal has to be really, really very dust. Yep. Really means harsh.
Okay.
Because the charcoal, if it's not harsh, it would burn everything you're going to put here. It's just like you're cooking.
That's why, like whenever I do, sometimes it's ash and sometimes it's not. And I'm just trying to figure out what is the exactly I need to do.
Yes. You see, it's burning. You say, what is this? You know why? You don't have enough ash there. So what I do before I go take a shower, I put my bakhoor, first of all, my charcoal, I leave it.
Okay.
I go have a shower, I put my cream, I put everything, and then I do this, spray. Then I come after 15, 20 minutes, and I see, yeah, good. Then I will show you later on, and I will code that one for your people.
Okay.
So in that way, your charcoal has to be hashed. Almost 50% of the charcoal has to be hashed. Okay. Then you put this, what you need for burning. This is the gold that you were talking about.
I never saw that. I always got the black ones.
No, I have the black. I'll show you. Okay. This one is the really bakhoor. The tree comes from India. This weight, when Bash comes, someone asks me, I sell this one 40 pounds.
I know.
But no smell.
Yeah, when I burn it,
I'll show you. When you burn it, it's totally different what you smell.
This is something different.
Exactly.
I never saw that.
This is what you see.
Wow.
That's what you see.
Yeah.
I made that one. But I made it with a love.
Yeah, but like this ones, these are, if I show like that, these are, like if
you can take one. Here, I got chicken thing. You can put it here. We can show that what means.
This is a wet.
Yes.
You
take the dry one.
Yeah, I always take the dry one. I don't know about that.
This one, even you can put on your clothes and your clothes. When you spray, make it ready, that one, and let it sit in your clothes.
It's the whole education.
Yes.
It's a whole course we need to do.
More and more.
Yes. And if we want to,
yes,
smell good.
Yes.
It's a whole course we need to do.
Yes.
Come to Bash class.
I will do some, not classes. I do teach. I have a student on Sunday. That's why I'm not in social media. I have a lot of students learning these things, and learning how to do this, learning how to do that, learning how to do this, and then we go to the bakhoor. Then the last minute we do the perfume. Then they go do the main course and they take their certificate to be teacher internationally. It's another thing I do, Bash. But I do the introduction with them very well.
Really?
So that's what we all need.
Yeah.
So, however, now we did the spray. Then you want to do the bakhoor. Go second spray on your clothes.
Okay.
Then let the bakhoor work and just stick it in your clothes in there. Your dress, hang it and leave it there. Just wait like 2 to 3 minutes. Once you see the smoke comes out, just take it out.
Okay.
And then when you wear your clothes, see if there is some little bit of charcoal left, take. So this one, you can wear about, I would say, 4 times. Okay. Split. You need to cut them. You know, this, the one we cut with the wood and the electricity, that the kind of, yeah, I don't know what they call it in English. Yeah. So you can cut pieces, and leave it in the glass.
Okay.
Every time you want to wear it, like this piece, you can have a 4-5 times.
How bad?
Yeah, because it's very expensive. So when I buy like about £2,000 and I keep it with me.
Mm.
And whoever wants it, if they understand, yes, I will give it them. Not many people understand it. Now, all right, people will want to be a class. It is, you know, to smell good and to smell class makes different.
Make difference.
Isn't it? Do you agree with me that?
I am 100%, 1,000% agree with you. So, okay, then we go.
Yeah, the number five, we did number 4. Number 5. Okay, now time for us to wear our clothes, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to pick up Misk.
Okay.
Okay, Misk Tahara was never white. It was never pink. It was never red. It was a black.
Okay.
1975, the whole world stopped killing the Jews to take the Misk from their stomach. Do you know that?
No.
Okay, to buy Misk Tahara in this 3 mil or 5 mil, you need at least 3,000, 5,000 pounds to buy it.
Wow.
3 mil of that Misk.
3 men.
Yes, that's the one I washed with my dad. Actually, I gave it to the masjid after that. I had to spend that much money before my dad passed away. Allah yarhamu. I promised I would wash him in a Misk Tahara. And I did for him. I baby. So for me, these things are very important. But this one is synthetic, but the best I make myself.
Okay.
It's my made. I tell you what, I don't know how to explain people. You guys smell it, smell it.
My house is full of...
Yeah, this room, whoever walks in now, they can smell it. Yeah. You will never, you know where it goes down?
Sweet.
Very sweet.
Yeah.
It goes, because we have a 3 type. That's why I'm going to show you. This is Misk Tahara Abiyat. This you can put points.
Mm.
Because always when you're wearing perfume like bakhoor, never always wear only bakhoor. Let the bakhoor be on the first thing on your body. The second thing you start to doing the sweet.
Mm.
And then you close up what you're wearing. That gives you a little bit, it gives you like power of the perfume. When you walk in, everybody will say, whoa, that's the way it should be.
Yeah.
That they have to know you've passed away. When we go to, when you pass someone out, I mean, but you know what? In Islamic, they always say that's haram, but you know, for me, I don't look at it that way, but we're not going to go into that.
Mm-hmm.
So we did the misk in our point here.
Yeah.
And your hair, and end of your hair a little bit. You can use it if you want it.
Yeah.
You finish that, then you have, say I'm wearing like something bakhoor like this now.
Okay. So these 2.
Now, you wear the tobacco and leather, right?
Yeah.
The cream.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put together. You finish that, your dress is sprayed. What do? You get up, you wear your clothes. Then what do? You take this one.
Okay.
You did the mist, that white one, yeah?
Yeah.
What I do, I take my perfume, I do my hand like that.
Okay.
See, like that. I do 1, 2, 3.
Listen.
Okay.
In the 3 times, it depends the perfume you're wearing, of course.
Okay.
So this one, that 3, you will have the most gorgeous smell. You want more? Take a little bit behind your thing.
Okay.
Behind your knee.
Oh, behind the knees.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. You just take it. You just put it 1 spray, like run with it.
We're doing everything wrong.
Everything. I know everybody's doing wrong.
Everything wrong.
Yeah, I know that. But always move our hand. People kiss us from here. If you like a little bit, 1 more spray, go into your neck around.
Okay.
Because we actually Javi people, we smell us from here. If you're not hijabi, then you go.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it.
And you're done. Done. So,
Next step.
okay, you finished that, right?
Yeah.
All right. If you have time, take the bakhoor a little bit again.
Okay.
That's why I said make it small.
Yeah.
Put there last minute. And after that, tell me what you feel, what you hear, what is your feeling. You give me a call.
I will. I will.
Exactly what-
After that, I don't want to go anywhere. I just want to lay down.
I want to sleep because it's a focus, by the way. You know me, I go see my mom twice a week. I go, say I live example, like Thursday, stay Thursday night, Friday night, I come home Saturday night late. Of course, I'm going to be tired because I'm out of my atmosphere, out of my kids, and that as a human being, we need our time. So I'm always every morning, if you ever watch I'm a person who gets up in the morning, the first thing, my hot coffee with my bakhoor.
Mm-hmm.
This is how I became in my social media famous, by the way, on my Snapchat. That is me. And I used to sit down and bring perfume and talk about the perfumes and to know the notes. It's something on me. That was another thing I used to be. Okay, now we talked about the tobacco. This goes all together, this family, by the way.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
That's number one. This one you can use, with everything I brought. Basha, this is why I put it next to it. You know why?
Okay.
This goes with this. This has a cream like this size, but you loved that, you said last time. So I didn't know was this or was this. So both of them I bring it. They different smell.
Okay.
This is like more of an evening. If you want to go out, you take out and you can use with that perfume.
No.
You don't want it, you can buy the cream I told you. This and this together and that. Because I wanted people to know. Can you pass me the perfume? Please, thank you. See, Pisty, how beautiful they are?
Yeah.
See, as beautiful as you see it, it's what you feel. This one, where every time I wear it, oh my God. Even the people in the street, they say, oh wow, you smell so good. You know what I do? This is the oil, really based oil, 100%.
Okay.
This oil, I'll tell you the cream you should buy, because I cannot say on this, but I'll tell you, whoever wants to let them know. This bit, see this bit?
Yeah.
3 tips, you're done. Everywhere your body with the cream. Just smell it. But you know why you already have to up in leather? It looks so strong and beautiful. Yeah. It's amazing. This evening. After you put the cream with that.
Very refreshing.
Yes.
This is very refreshing.
That's it. Yeah. When you wear it, this perfume, last minute, you use your cotton for your clothing. You put that with your cream, then you use your perfume and you have the mist.
Yeah.
I never wear this and this together, by the way.
Okay.
You got to know.
Yeah.
Yeah? As I put them together, this is how it works. People need to know.
People need to know, definitely, because in I always think, or I always see, bakhoor is only for the house fragrance.
No.
I never, I just remember now, because you were talking about, the Asia, that has come from Asia. If we see a very, very old traditional movies, if they show is a very 1800
Sicily or Jawab movie or Jolie.
Yes, you know the back. So when they show the very royal family,
they have this bakhoor.
They have bakhoor, they're all servants. They were doing their hair in the bakhoor or the sitting. So we thought always, okay, this is something very royal.
Yeah,
that's it. This is the royal things. That's
your
it.
Country.
Because, the people have many servants, they have time, they can do these things. Yeah. Or might be these things exist only that time.
Yeah.
We don't have these things in this, this time. But everything exists.
Everything exists. It exists for a reason, and we have to know what you mix with. You cannot mix with every perfume.
Yeah.
Because when you see, I was just telling my colleagues when we were coming to you, when you have citruses, all that orange, lemon, pomegranate, and grapefruit, all this citrus thing. With jasmine oil, it kills the perfume. It kills your personality.
Yeah.
Unless you are from farm person. Like you don't know anything about smell.
Okay.
Sorry. Anything has a citrus, be careful using with something has a jasmine.
Because I love jasmine.
Yes, this one has a jasmine.
Yeah.
This one you love that has a jasmine.
Yeah. So I always go for the jasmine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. This hasn't got citrus. This has a citrus. But the coordinated in there, it's not strong. You will smell more of the rose. And make sure every time you finish, you close it.
Yeah.
Just like that. Really, see, close in the middle.
Yes.
Both sides, you open it.
Okay.
Anyway, so this is something that people should know. We have this one. This one, if you're going out in the evening, you don't want to wear a lot of perfume. You don't want to, but this smells divine. Divine. After shower, just dig the spoon. Take the spoon and put it in your body. That's it.
That's it.
After left, take your spray, your clothes, wear it, step outdoor.
Wow.
To smell good, you don't need to spend money.
Yes.
By the way, absolutely no. This is for your hair.
This is for the hair.
This is, it's a new bottle I decided to make, and I made it a name because the name was Hanan Aslan. So now I gave you with the name, and this is for your daughter that sings. I loved it.
She loved it because you were there last time.
Yes.
And she always come to my room and just, and then just go. And I always think, why it's reducing? Why it's reducing? So once she came, when I was there, I said, okay, this is you. She said, it smells so good.
Yeah.
And she's the one who, she always go for the a very luxury perfumes. Our choices are different.
Yeah, now different. It's for, she will love this. I know that. This set, young girls, because this goes with this.
Yeah.
She will love this, I'm telling you. This set for young girl. This for mature you and I, and maybe she will love it because my friend's daughter was surprised she loved this. She get older. Second time, she's princess, a princess family calling me twice just to make order of tobacco and leather.
Oh, wow.
And the body wash. I didn't tell you that. Oh, the princess family. I was saying, she said, because ask me, where did I get all this idea? Although I had this education because my best friend, she was from royal family. I used to work for her.
So obviously, it's all. So are we all gonna feel like a royal now?
It is. My perfume gives you the royal feelings if you use it right.
Yes. You have to use it.
Yeah, the way I say it, layer this thing, this. Don't come and grab perfume and go.
Yeah.
You're not going to smell like that.
And don't mix perfume.
Yes, you have to know.
Yeah.
Some people say, layering is putting perfume together.
No, it's not.
First of all, you have to know what type of cream that you can wear it.
Yeah.
That goes.
What is this?
This is what it smell it. Take it and smell it. What do you feel? Just tell me what you feel.
I feel very powdery.
Yes.
And this is what we call it, the lavender.
Yeah, this is not lavender. This is frankincense. The original come from Somalia. Look, smell it. Yeah. Relax. It gives you relax. It opens your brain.
So is a stone or what is it?
Okay, what you do is, this one, you just take material, put it aside, and take something.
Okay, with a hammer a little
bit. You break small, and leave it in the glass, not plastic container, glass container.
Okay.
Every time you cook strong food, just burn that one. This is energy, first of all.
Okay.
Bad eye, evil eye, and gives the whole house refreshing.
Oh, wow.
In all the Islamic country, they use this thing because to let the bad energy to go out. Even myself, when I wash my clothes and I put it outside normally, I have a dryer, but sometimes I feel too much synthetic going out, body, I refuse. So I have this, thing I burn this and put under my clothes, take all the energy out,
Okay.
and leave the clothes so fresh and nice. And I take small pieces and I put in the water. It's a collagen. I drink.
Wow.
Yes.
Because I noticed this thing first time. I went for Umrah last year.
Yes.
And in Makkah, there was a big, like, somebody shot it.
Yeah.
And they were like, going with a hammer and give. They said, what is it? They said, bakhoor.
Yeah.
I said, okay. And then
No. It's not, that's the one you've seen. I think it's Java. I wish I could bring it. But we're going to have another time.
Inshallah.
This is another frankincense.
Okay.
Why? This has a bakhoor inside. Okay, after you cook, you have an invitation, people coming, cooking, hotting the food in the house. You want to take it out before you put bakhoor. Because bakhoor with the food doesn't go together.
Yeah, because
clashes.
like our Asian
Clash,
food,
yes.
I Asian food, like from top to toe, you are in a smell of curry. You are in a smell of chicken, lamb.
And the house and the
masala,
furniture
all the
and that, yeah. So what you do, that one a bit, of course, you're going to hash the charcoal. Make sure the charcoal, I even think I bring for you charcoal if I'm not making a mistake. Maybe one of the boxes you will find charcoals. That time is good. So after you use that one, it takes all the smell out and you find there's no smell. Just open this one and smell this. Your mom loves us.
Oh, wow. What is that? What is that?
It's bakhoor ma frankincense, the original.
I never saw these kind of foods in my life. I always buy.
It's only royal people use it. It's not.
That's all dry.
Yeah.
And what I never saw, like, this wet bakhoors.
This one we make the Ramadan 10 kilo. It's finished within 2 months. There was nothing left. Yeah. So what you do after that, you let it out, the house fresh, then take a little bit with the bakhoor. Just put it, 2 pieces. One bakhoor and one of the...
Okay.
I gave you the original frankincense, the original without synthetic.
Wow.
Yes.
I am a very rich person today.
Inshallah, always you are rich and you will be remembered rich. This is something for men.
Okay.
And actually, this smell it. How they smell it. There you go. Something.
Very,
Grapefruit.
yes, grapefruit and musk and, like very, men.
Men. This is for men. And this is a bit of oil to grow his beard.
Okay.
As my son did it. Look, his beard, He's my always testing him everything. See, he just takes 2 to 3 drops, put all over his body. It has a little bit of leathery, a little bit of root, and you know how you use this also. Very light and nice, yes. Because it's just, I want to show you this. It looks like a gel, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, let me show you something. My thing, that's the oil showing. But you know what? I want you to put, and then just a little bit, don't put too much. Look, the softness of you will feel your body silky. That's for your husband. That's too much. That's all the body. Just touch it like that. That's all what you need. My son finished the whole thing.
Wow.
Look the touch.
Yes.
The silky touch.
You have the fragrance and the touch.
And yes,
Everything
in
is
there. That's it. So that's for men. You can use present from Batch collection for him.
Wow.
So, yeah.
Thank you so much. Like,
He can wear with you this perfume. He can wear this too. Unisex. This 100%, this set is for lady. But his set is, this one is man and woman. So all these are man and woman. You guys can wear together. And that one is
it's just
it's just for the young kids, and that's the name bakhoor.
That is like, it looks like a gold.
Yeah, that's what
like
is the
something
gold.
very, very...
And the weight is like a gold because you buy by weight.
Yes. Ah, okay.
You don't buy by a piece. You will say, okay, what do you need? 1 gram, 2 gram? Then you put
Like that.
But usually I buy like 2 kilo, 3 kilo. So I just look at it, it makes me happy myself. See, it has a nice smell, but once we burn it,
Yeah.
you're in another world. I have to show you how you burn it. Even I bring my gun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do that again.
Sorry, yeah, yeah. So it's just,
Okay. I have a rapid fire round for you.
you have what?
Rapid fire round.
Okay,
I'll ask you a question. You have to give answer like that.
quickly. Okay.
Quickly.
Okay.
Oud or bakhoor?
The force.
Musk tahara or rose type?
Muscatara.
Traditional Middle Eastern layering or modern layering?
Layering in Middle East.
Strong evening oud or fresh daytime mist?
Oud.
One Middle Eastern scent memory, you did the bottle forever.
The tobacco and leather.
That smell is something literally.
You know, that tobacco and leather is in my mind more than 40 years.
Wow. So much less filled with the bakhoor or subtle personal perfume.
I like pork.
Bakhoor.
Yeah.
So oud on clothes or oud on skin?
Oud on clothes. Skin never put anything except handcrafted by natural things.
Global luxury or local authenticity?
Global, I'd love to be anyone day.
If Middle East had a fragrance note, what would be?
The oud.
The oud.
They always are that. I believe in that life until today. I mean, you know, me is, you know, I have one perfume. Can I record this? Can I say it? I have one perfume really. I want to put that for myself, which I always want to talk. Actually, I have two very important perfume. And the third one, I don't want to talk about it because I used to smell from my brother who passed away. I have one perfume. Every time I wear that perfume, I feel I'm the most richest woman in the world and the most saddest woman in the world.
Okay.
When they say perfume it's a memory, it's truth really, honestly. Because when I start wearing that perfume, it was a life of me having a really happy and very powerful life. And there was something dragging me at the same time. So it reminds me of those both, you know, garden is never green, never always green, you know, that sometimes it's gray, sometimes it's matte. And, you know, I feel that perfume and I have it in front of me on my bedroom. Every time I want to smell happy, I go and smell, but that sadness comes to my stomach, by the way. See, that's how we are, Imobir. That's why perfume is all about memory.
Yes.
Whether it could be good or bad.
Yeah.
And there's one perfume every time I wear, I feel like the young girl wants to know everything in life. I want to sit down with my friend. That's what you did tonight. What have you done? What happened last night? You know how we were young and we all are kind of hyper? That perfume is only good days, I call it.
Wow.
When I feel one friend of mine, she's from Lebanon, I lost contact with her. If she ever seen this video, her name is Sabah. Please contact me. I still have her memory. That's what I want to send my contact. These three things. Because perfume is not only wearing, it should leave you with some
memories, definitely. Definitely. I can relate with my dad.
Yes.
There was one perfume which my dad always wear.
Yeah.
And whenever I smell something like that, it's instantly take me to my dad.
This one. It's my dad, but the other ones, I don't even make it. I don't want to make it, but I buy it. Every time I see perfume, it is memory.
So before we go, first of all, thank you so much. Literally, you educate us.
Oh, thank you.
This is education.
Yeah.
We definitely need it. Yeah. We don't, we just go and buy a perfume, as I said before, but this is the education. Every woman needs to know how to smell good without any perfume.
Definitely.
So thank you so much for that. And before we go, do you want to say anything, any message?
Yes, there is one message I want to pass the world. Whoever has a business, and especially small businesses like us, every help makes a lot different for small businesses. And I know big companies have a million people, but I think we can be better than that, and we can be helping the small businesses. That's why we always say,
Why not?
help, and we make the best, especially when someone does craft the perfume, makes a lot different than having in a factory. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Gives
Thank you
energy.
so much.
Thank you. I want to say
Lots of love for
you're
you.
just so lovely. I feel so comfortable. You know, I feel like I'm home. I'm speaking with the lady. I say she's the queen of Pakistan.
Oh my God. Thank you so much.
Because I really have a big respect for you, and I told you that day. You're just an amazing person. You are good. Keep going, and one day you will win. Inshallah, you'll be the biggest podcast. Remember me that day.
I always remember you.
I know.
And you have a beautiful heart.
Oh, thank
That's
you.
why you love other people.
Oh, thank you.
Not everybody have that kind of heart.
Yes. I try. What else the wolves tell me? Allah gives us the risk, not nobody. It's good to be nice to others.
So with this note, thank you so much for watching us. I will come again with the new guest with some more information. Till now, Allah Hafiz.